Hi folks. I know I said I wasn't going to work on the interior of the camper or anything else until I got this nasty floor finished, but I instead decided I wanted to redesign and refit the way the door fits in this camper, because all the videos I've ever seen with these things, that they have these little straps with snaps that don't seem to really hold up very well. And I did see one video where somebody used one of these very simple stainless steel rope straps. Oh, and there's rain. It's raining off the side, which is kind of neat because it proves that the ceiling does not leak. Yay. Well, that's a thing about a flat roof. But anyhow, so this is, I thought, a better solution to this snaps and straps that they had on there, although this is a double layer of 550 paracord with a carabiner, which could be actually used for other things as well. And I've got two of them here to spread out the load. Seems to work, because when I rebuilt this door, it's a little heavier, I think anyway, because I haven't seen what a real door looks like or the weight of or how they work. I just had this frame to rebuild stuff with, so. And that tootling is the chicken in the background. Ruthie's supervising here. Ruthie the runt. Anyhow, back up here so you can see the whole thing right there. So it seems to be holding pretty well here. The person who I saw that used these stainless steel hooks here paired them with bungees, and I've done art shows for years and years, and I've had a lot of bad experiences with bungees failing, so I opted for the paracord, which can also be function stacked for other things should I need it. And eventually, in this little corner, back up a little bit so I can see it, this little corner, where's my hand, in here will eventually be where I can hang a shower curtain and set up an area where I can have an indoor shower, hopefully. That's the idea. It may not turn out that way. And what are you doing, Ruthie? Bird, bird, bird. I know I hear a chicken around. There she is, Ruthie. Supervising. Anyhow, that is what the door looks like with a new installation, redesigned system like that, and it seems to be holding up pretty well. And I was in here when it was raining earlier, and it was so nice because the old way the camper roof was very loud. And this new installation that I've used is a whole lot quieter. And when I've been standing in here with the hot sun shining, this is Florida in mid-July, I could touch the roof up there with my hands and it would be just ambient temperature, which is also another huge improvement, because that was not the case with the way the roof was before, when I was brave enough to walk underneath it with the wreckage and nastiness that it was. Anyhow, so that seems to be working so far so good, and thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful.